How to delete Reddit account on your mobile device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to delete your Reddit account on your mobile device. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, of course, open up the Reddit app on your phone, then tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, then tap on settings. Next, scroll all the way down until you get to Help Center and select that one. Then do a search for Delete Account. Then tap on the first option to How do I delete my account? So it says currently you can only delete your Reddit account by visiting Reddit on your computer's web browser or through our iOS native mobile app. So if you want to go ahead and do this, you need to visit reddit.com and visit your account settings. So if you just tap on account settings here, it will take you there. So once you're in your account settings, you'll scroll all the way down and there you can see the option to delete your account. So click on delete account, then follow the few options that you have to go through and then your account will be deleted. And that's what it takes to delete your Reddit account on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.